Power Connect is a real-time energy management solutions vibration technology is part of our Industry Connect offerings. There are many energy monitoring solutions available in the market, but what differentiates Power Connect from the others is the ability to relate the data with the production process. So this gives you an ability to identify productive and non-productive usage of energy in your organization. Power Connect gives you real-time monitoring of your energy needs. It encourages you to reduce energy costs. It also calculates load factor for your plants, and it also gives you compliance for regulatory purposes. So Power Connect is an absolutely essential part for any industry using significant amount of power. Write to us today, and we'll be very happy to discuss this with you further. Thank you so much.